Guys, in case you guys want a Starlight just like the Rolls Royce, but you don't have a Rolls Royce yet, I got a way for you. Stick around to find out. I'm gonna walk you through a little tutorial on how I install a Starlight headliner in the Toyota Alphard. Check this out, guys.
What's going on, guys? Behind me is a Toyota Alphard at this car dealership called AYE Auto. We are blessed. We hustled and we got the opportunity to install the Starlight in the Alphard today. It'll be my first car. We got 5 orders going on already. Hopefully it'll be 20s and 30s every month, and that's another side hustle business that I'm doing. I just want to show you guys the process of what's going on. I got 3 of my guys taking apart the roof and installing the car. The whole process should take about 6 to 8 hours, and I want to walk you through, what is needed to be done to get this done. So let's go.
In case you guys missed the description there, I'm gonna walk you through it again on how I managed to install this thing. First, you need to order the Starlight Kit. You can just type in or Google in fiber optic Starlight Kit. It should comes up on Amazon. If you guys are out here in Asia, maybe Alibaba and AliExpress. Now, these things ranges from so many different types. What you really want is a higher voltage because that will be a little bit brighter. Also, what's really important is you want at least 380 to 400 strand of fiber optic in the normal car size. For anything bigger than that, like a Toyota Alphard, or if you guys got a van, go for 800. Also, one of the most important things that these control box must have is the twinkle effects. Otherwise, it wouldn't twinkle and it wouldn't be glitter and glamour, all that in the ceiling. So make sure it comes with the twinkle effects. Also, you guys want the twinkle star effects to come with the control box, because without that twinkle star effects, you wouldn't get the twinkly star in the sky like the night light or the night stars. So you want that to come in the control box that you're about to order. Other than that, you want to look for the option to have 3 different sizes of fiber optic strand. Mine comes with, I believe, 0.3 millimeter, 0.7, and 1 millimeter. What you want to use is a drill head of 1 millimeter to drill that car. So here are the process. Let me walk you through from the start to finish. First, you gotta order the thing. Once it comes in the mail, uninstall your headliner. Different cars use different tool. Be careful, don't use a flathead or a metal screwdriver. Use one of those plastic ones that can take apart in the interior of the car. It'll be much better and you'll thank me later. Once you've taken that apart, you wanna map out your ceiling. Some start come with a sunroof, some doesn't. I recommend don't install it on your sunroof. It's hard and it's gonna make noise when you open the sunroof, and the fiber optic is basically, you can't bend the fiber optic 90 degrees, otherwise it'll break. After that, you want to map out the boxes. So let's say you are in a Toyota Lexus, right? Lexus IS 250. I suggest you draw 3 boxes on each side, divided by how many ever fiber optic strand that you have, and then each box, randomly, just mark those stars. The more random, the better, unless you want to go wild out and use a projector and hang your headliner on the wall and project your constellation on there. You can do that too. I've seen some people have done that. I still think it's tacky. Random stars are a little bit better because the twinkle effect is going to make it that much like icing on the top. Once you're done with that, you want to make sure that you use a 1 millimeter drill head to drill on each one of those. After that, separate the fiber optic strand into bundles of 20s or 40s. No more than that, because you want to work from the side of the car to the middle, and from the side to the front, all the way to the back of the car. And you want to leave enough room for the fiber optic string in the back to the box to be able to place the box, the control box, wherever you want in the car. Once you have measured all that out, install your headliner back in, pull the cable, all the way down. Oh, I forget, you also have to glue it. Gorilla Glue works fine. Some people might use that. Some people are using a hot glue gun. I find that for me personally, silicone gun works the best. It doesn't burn, but you have to leave it overnight. So use a silicone glue. Leave it overnight. Once you're done, install that stuff. Wire the box. Usually I just wire it into behind a cigarette butt, or you can put it up on your dim light or your start engine button. And once you start, the light's gonna come on. Out comes the app. I think mine is called Smart LED. You can control variation of it, brightness. The twinkle effect has 4 different speed, and you can control the different, no, not just speed and different twinkle effect. So after the twinkle effect, you can control the speed. There's a bunch of preset, and you can tune and fine tune the color by yourself to whatever you like. Me personally, I just leave it on white because my car is a black Mercedes AMG W124, and I miss that car so much. Get it back. Long story on that one later. But hopefully that would help. That's it for the installation. It's pretty easy. If I missed anything, or if you have any question or comment, write me down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content about car modification, and car photography. And yo, leave that like for the algorithm. Subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.